I just wanted to show you a little tip for your Kleenexes. Instead of buying the Kleenexes that are infused with the Vicks Vapor Rub, just get some regular Kleenexes, open them up, and on the inside flap, whichever one's going to go closest to the bottom, which is going to be this one, drop you a couple of oils on it, and I use the eucalyptus and a peppermint. I do about 2 or 3 drops of each. Both are very well known for their support of the respiratory system. So when you have a cold and you know it's kind of difficult, it's nice to have something to help open you up. And then just tape it, or you can, if you really want to be fancy, you can get the hot glue gun out and glue gun it back together. Do it on both sides. Just like I said, about 2 drops of each is plenty, depending on how strong you want it. And then once you're done with that, you can either leave it sealed up for a little while, or if you absolutely have to start using them now, you can go ahead and pop it open now. And within a little while, maybe an hour or so, definitely by the next day, your Kleenexes will start having a good scent to them that will help support your respiratory system during a not so good time of feeling great. Alright, there's your little hack for the day. Thank you. Talk to you later.